Hi, my name's Martin Bolton. I'm a lecturer at the University of Johannesburg, and this is my rotational casting machine. It forms part of my PhD project at the University of Johannesburg, Department of Industrial Design. The frame construction and modular design allows for construction with basic workshop machines, and it suits disassembly, repair and replacement. The way forward would be to make the plans more accessible so that others can attempt to try and replicate the design locally in Johannesburg, and possibly on social media platforms for others to critique, advise or use the design for the benefit of the community. This would also provide the space for the interrogation of the cost of the machine versus what the market would perceive as a suitable purchase or build cost. This project illustrates effective utilization of social media as well as open source platforms to develop new technologies appropriate for different geographic and economic settings. Thank you very much, and you can contact me if you are interested.